So hello, okay, let's do this challenge. First, delete this comment. And yeah, we have two triangles here, a pyramid one and an inverted one. So would you believe me if I said that, if I say we can do this using only one element, like one div? This, in a normal way of thinking, you would use two elements here, one for the pyramid and one for the inverted one. So it is not what you think. It is, we can't use back shadow because, as you already know it, back shadow inherits the form of the base element or its parent element or what we are copying. So this one we can't do this using box shadow because they have totally different forms. Actually, they are opposite. So one thing we can do here is, after we create a triangle, we create a pseudo element out of this. We have used pseudo element yesterday, so I believe you have an idea. Let me show you by starting with, okay, let's not mm, let's not modify this HTML div anymore. Let's only change inside the style. Okay, first is the background. Remove the background actually, and set the size to 0 and 0, the width and the height, because we are trying to create a triangle via border right and border sides. Triangle has three sides, so border right, 75 pixel, copy, this is border left. Actually, this 75 pixel is the same as 75 because when you put a value, when you put only a number value here, by default it is pixel. So let's refrain from using this. So 75 pixel, and this border right accepts, I believe this accepts three parameters. Or the first one is the size, the second one is the 75 solid, the pattern, and the third one is the color. So let's put transparent. Okay, let's copy these two parameters here, paste it down here. All that's left is the border bottom. This border bottom handles the color. So the color is this blue color. And why is it not showing? Border left. So what's the matter of this? Transparent. There's a mistake here. Interestingly enough. Oh, this is a pain in the ass. Let's check if our element is still existing by putting random color, for example red. It's not existing anymore. Where is this element coming from? With height, because maybe let's put pixel actually, some measurement. Okay, I'm sorry, I neglect I erase the pixel, but actually it is needed. Sorry. Okay, now we have a triangle. Remember to put pixel if you are creating triangle, if you are using border right. So I have not experienced this one. I thought that, yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Let's put this element on the center. Position absolute, margin auto, inset 0. Now let's adjust the size. Let's stretch this vertically. So let's add here 100 pixel. Remove this. Remove. Okay. Quite. I think we need to push this on the top. So instead of using inset, we use our custom positions. Left, bottom, and right. They are 0 for now. And as you know it, to push this element on the top, we need negative value on the top. So 100, 75, 70. Check this diff. Actually, it's not. We are not quite there. Okay, let's increase the sides by 5 pixel from left and right. And I'm not sure about this. Decrease the vertical size. And yeah, it's still overlapping. It's tall. No. How about this? Okay, let's push this to the top by 10 pixel, so 80, negative 80. Okay, it's close, and I don't want to touch it anymore because it's dragging me. Now we have successfully created a triangle. So next step is to create a pseudo element out of this triangle by doing this one. Div that after pseudo element. So we use after and braces, curly braces. Just copy this element. So as you know, pseudo element is a kind of one of powerful things CSS can do. You can put or modify the element using the element itself without affecting the document. So here we didn't add any element. We just created a style out of this first element we created. So right now it is overlapping, but we need to invert this triangle. So instead of border bottom, let's make this border top. And not showing. Yeah. And also we need to put a property called content and set it to empty string. Why is it showing there on the top? Anyway, let's adjust this by putting 0 for now to center. Oh man, what is this? What's happening? I can control this pseudo element. Why isn't it center? Inset. It's not centered. Why? Absolute. This is pain. If it's not centered, even though these 3 lines is a guarantee center, then let's modify the positions. So to push the element to the left, because we need to push left, your left is here, we need to push this top triangle to the left. So we need to put negative value on the left side. Negative 100, 80, just like the first one. 80. Okay. Then push this to the bottom. Another positive element, a positive value here. So 100, 180. Too much? 140? Okay, that will do. And for the background, we just back shadow it. Back shadow, vertical, horizontal, I mean 0. Vertical is 0. Blur is 0. The size is 100 viewport width. For those who don't know, VW is the viewport width, or the size of the 100% size of the screen. It's taking the entire space. And then the color, of course, this green color. And our white background here is showing. Let's just declare background. Also this one. Hashtag. Okay. Now it's done, but not quite. Right. It's not really that perfect. $99.2. Yeah. We're not getting 100.